Hi, this is Maria Liberati, and today I'm here with my summer corn salad. It's such a refreshing salad. You know, everybody's thinking about fresh corn in the summertime. If you grow your own, it's even better. So we had some fresh corn here, but the ingredients, again, really simple ingredients. So this will be it's a layered salad for 2 people. So I have rice here. It's about a cup of rice. This will be for 2 people. You can use basmati rice. You can also use quinoa. You can use faro also if you want to get an interesting flavor, brown rice. Any kind of ancient grains you can use also to substitute for the rice. So that's a cup of the rice. We have crumbled feta cheese, about a quarter of a cup. Also fresh blueberries. There's nothing better than fresh blueberries in the summertime. So we have about a cup of them. And then we did steam some fresh corn. So this is about 3/4 cup of fresh corn, and we have fresh arugula and fresh baby spinach also. The salad dressing that we made is so it's a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, a 1/2 cup of extra virgin Italian olive oil, and we used a 1/4 cup of the blueberries and a tablespoon of local honey. We put that in the food processor, swirled it around, and that will be our dressing. We're gonna let that sit and marinate for a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start by just layering the salad. The only thing that I did have to cook was the rice. So it's an easy summer salad, especially if you don't wanna cook a lot this summer. But it's really good any time of the year. So we're going to start by making a layer of, as I mentioned, some fresh baby spinach. If you have fresh greens in your garden, whatever fresh greens that you have, I happen to have fresh baby spinach. So I'm going to start that as my first layer. Kind of make a bed with the baby spinach. Okay, the next layer is going to be rice. So we're going to layer some rice on here. The next layer is going to be my corn. This makes a great presentation too. It's so colorful. And let's see, the next layer will be my blueberries. I just love fresh blueberries. We're going to use up 1/2 of this cup for this one serving. And next we're going to top it with some of the crumbled feta cheese. And next will be the arugula, fresh arugula. If you have this in the garden, it's even better, but if not, you can certainly purchase it anywhere now. Arugula does have a bit of a strong flavor, so you don't want to use as much as you would of lettuce. That's my layered salad. Now I'm going to top it again. The dressing is 1/4 cup of blueberries, and it had balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil in it, and we're going to just top it. Just drizzle that. Oh, that looks so good. Just drizzle that on top. And there you have it. I just have to taste it. It looks so good. Let's see. I'm gonna just do this. Oh, it's so good. Really refreshing. And this is Maria Liberati with my summer corn salad. And you can find the recipe on my blog at marialiberati.com, in my award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and my podcast, The Maria Liberati Show. Until next time, peace, love, and pasta.